Guys, our Subispeed V2 taillights are finally here. I don't know how many comments and questions I've got asking when the V2s are going to be available because the ETA kept getting pushed back further and further, and they finally got a small shipment of them into our warehouse. They're just up there, so I'm going to grab a set, bring it over to our other building, and we'll install it on the car, and I'll go through the functions for some of you guys that haven't seen it before, and then we'll go over some details. It's about time, guys. Let's go install these on the car. Check this out. Would you look at that? So here are our brand new Subispeed V2 taillights installed on the car. This is the smoked version, which is the only version we have right now. We have 20 sets of these available. Well, actually 19 now because I just installed these on the... If you want to see if we have them in stock, you can go to the product page, and in the drop-down menu, you can see it'll say either in stock or ships from factory. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the functions with you guys real quick. So Thomas is inside the car right now. I'm going to have him run through the functions so you guys can see. We'll start with the running lights. Here you can see those are the C lights. Go ahead and step on the brake. You can see those get brighter for the brake light, and then hazards. And there you will see the sequential function in the C lights for the turn signals and hazards. Now, if you don't like that sequential function, there's actually a connection in the back. There is a green and red wire, and if I fully connect this here, that turns the normal blinking on. So if you don't like that sequential function, you can go to the normal blinking function depending on what look you're going for. So this is those two functions compared. Go ahead and turn that off, Thomas. Pop it in reverse. There you can see the reverse lights is that middle bar there. So those are the new tail lights. I'm not going to go too in depth with them because we'll probably do a showcase video on them and possibly an install video or feature them in a 2-Minute Tuesday or something like that. Plus I've done a lot of vlogs and other videos on them already. Now we got to move on to another highly anticipated product, which is these things right here. Now, most of you guys know we released our Subispeed 2018 DRL bezels a couple weeks ago, but now these are the DRL plus sequential version. So now you can get the turn signal and DRL function down in your fog light bezels. A lot of you guys were asking where this one was. Well, now they're available on our website. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the car real quick for you guys so you can see what they look like. So now you can see the DRLs there paired up with our V2 headlights. You can see that it's just a bright white strip across that's very uniform. You can't see any hot spots whatsoever with the LEDs. On the right side here, we've got the sequential function, and then on the left side, we have the normal blinker. All you have to do to turn this back into a sequential is flip this switch here. And now you have a sequential. The last thing I wanted to show you guys today was something I've been working on installing on our WX, which is a new lineup all the way from Australia from Flow Design. They have front splitters, splitter extensions, winglets, side skirts, rear spats, diffusers, all for the WX and SCI. I've installed a V1 type splitter here, and then some extensions and winglets as well as a side skirt. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. I gotta say, I'm super impressed with the quality of these. The hardware that comes with it is absolute quality as well. Actually, I'm gonna show you some. You can see you get these nice Allen bolts here with washers and then nuts that I use to install the side skirts and splitter. All of the holes are pre-drilled, so you know exactly where those bolts and nuts need to go. They try and use as many OEM hole locations as possible, but there is some drilling required, like in the side skirts where there really isn't any holes for them to use. You're gonna have to actually uninstall your side skirts and install and drill and then install the side skirts. So we're currently working on getting these in stock here at our warehouse. Once they're here, you guys will definitely know. We'll post it up on our social media to tell you guys they're now available on our website and we have them in stock. We'll probably do a showcase video on them, so check that out once we drop that as well. But that's basically all I had for this vlog, guys. We've got the V2 tail lights, we have the sequential bezels, and then this flow design stuff. I'll leave a link to the available products down below. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up installing the other side skirt and then work on the rear spats and diffuser, but I'll see you guys next time.